Hello everyone! Today we'll learn data handling, discover how to collect, organize and understand information in a fun and easy way. Data is a collection of facts or information. For example, counting how many students play football or cricket gives us useful data. We can collect data by asking questions, making observations, or counting objects. This helps us gather useful information. After collecting data, we organize similar items into groups. This makes the information neat, easy to read, and simple to compare. Instead of writing numbers again and again, we use tally marks. Every fifth tally crosses the first four to make counting quick and easy. Now, let's write the total count in a frequency table.
Wow!
It shows how many times each item appears. A pictograph uses pictures to represent data. Each picture stands for a certain number, making information easy and fun to understand. Let's read this pictograph. Watch how the blocks arrange themselves. If one picture represents 2 students, then 4 times 2 equals 8 students. Another way to display data is with a bar graph. Taller bars represent larger numbers, making comparisons very easy. By looking at the bar graph, we can quickly find the highest value, the lowest value, and compare different groups. Data handling is used every day in schools, shops, hospitals, weather reports, and sports to make smart decisions. Today we learned how to collect, organize, and display data using tally marks, frequency tables, pictographs, and bar graphs. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.